Hi everyone! This week we're going to talk about how to get a glam eye in a quick minute. I've got one of my favorite palettes here. This is Laura Mercier's Parisian Nights palette. Beautiful selection of colors. Makes it really easy to get that glam eye in just a quick minute. Alright, so to get glam in a minute, I'm going to start with my Laura Mercier ponytail brush. I'm going to go into sort of a medium dark color here. Always tap out the excess off your brush. And then we're going to go right into the crease and into the outer corner. And as everybody knows, I'm a blender, so I'm gonna go back in with my fingertip and just gently blend that out. So we've already got a nice crease going. Then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier smudge brush, going to actually go in with an even deeper color at the back of my palette here and really focus on the outer corner of the lid. This is where it gets really glam really quick. As long as you stick with the deeper colors on the outer part of the lid and in the crease, usually you won't feel like you're overdone. So we've got a little bit of a glam look going. Whatever's left on my brush, same brush, smudge brush, I'm gonna go right on the lower lash line. So now we're done with our dark colors. Finally, just wiping off real quick on my hand, I'm gonna go in with this little bit of a lustrous kind of nude color. Tap out that excess again, and then the light tones are gonna stay towards the inner corner to the middle of the eye, and I'm just blending straight across. Again, taking my fingertip and just softening where those colors meet. And we've got a glam eye.